It should be the top logo in Chinese car. You know the highest grade cars awards. The foreign guest is, it's a golden sunflower. A home cheese behind me. Today let's play as distinguished foreign guests to enjoy it. Dear guests, the car we take today is Hongqi Goya. Let's see its design before getting in. The first is its light. It's curved above and flat down there, namely the round sky and square ground in Chinese. Such a large waterfall girl can only be used on the most luxurious cars. Third, pay attention to this, a racing flag logo, only for car over 5 million. The rail lights up from the front to the end so noble. Part of its imposing nose, the length of the car reaches 5.35 meters, the typical size of limos. What's more, its B-piler and window panels are all electroplated with high gloss. Wow, so lavish. To check the detail of its tail, lantern-shaped tail lights, this feeling and effect when it lights up. G is also symbolizes the inheritance and memory of our historical culture. Dear guests, it's time to take seats. The door is shut with electric force. The electric section door. Noble. You get in the car, the buckle shows up automatically, so the guests won't bother to tag it. The exotic details are everywhere. I was so excited when I first saw it on Hongqi Goya private appreciation meeting before, and I'm still thrilled to see it. Now let me show you the details. The audio panel in the landscape shape is also a system of 714 Dolby Atmos, the combination of all national style and the cutting-edge audio technology. Last, it feels good. Here's another detail. Yours is a metal lid, but this is an electric one. The cup holder is opening slowly. This rare, how could such an executive version have no board? The board has a smooth feeling of metal. Besides, it is definitely a large one among the folding boards. The seat can be folded down, which makes its consumption of limo. The wheel spot is comfortable. Look up, a mirror with a light for the guest. That is an atmosphere light, and an outer panel with a diffused reflection LED strip. In a word, nobility. The purple camel wood trim touch so good. There's also petrol wood plated with gold powder. The coach watch in the middle of the dashboard. The golden sunflower on the wheel and the vintage horn are all tributes to the vintage cars. A single boat for the golden sunflower. The latest one of the national cars, Hongqi Goya, has begun taking pre-orders. What do you think of these cars? If you like it, I will take one to my garage of million cars to receive my fans.